Se faccio a botte le prendo.
Yo! Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Hey you! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm back again in SANREMO 2025. So I've encountered this artist. He's called, guys, forgive me for the name mispronunciation. They are killing me. But he's called LUCIO, CORSI, CANTA. I think this song is called Essere, duro. Damn, guys. I guess it's a name that is certainly not English. Okay, so we're gonna do a reaction on this music and we're gonna check out to see what Mr. LUCIO is capable of here. So, one question: do anyone who is watching this video now knows the Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's go. Peace.
Volevo essere un duro che non gli importa del futuro, un robot, un lottatore di sumo, uno spaccino in fuga da un cane lupo alla stazione di Volo.
Wow, I gotta say, wonderful piano skills, beautiful voice, excellent stance. He's well professional. And I do like people who, submit themselves to professionalism, because you all know we have some people, whenever time they went on stage, there's a lack of professionalism and it's not being displayed properly. So this guy is really super, bro. It's really superb. Trust me.
Una gallina dalle uova d'oro, però non sono nessuno, non sono nato con la faccia da duro, ho anche paura del buio, se faccio a botte le prendo.
Yo! Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Yo, he's crazily good, bro. I love his voice so much. I can tell that this guy, right, he can do way more than this, man. Like, way more. He's just calm here. And looking at him now, I can tell that he's a really good piano player. Right, while singing, while partaking in what he does best, it's something that I can literally resignate myself to. Trust me, I'm not a piano player. But once you're watching these people do what they can do best, you can always learn something from them. And I'm learning something from him now. Great artist. Excellent artist.
Così mi truccano gli occhi di nero, ma non ho mai perso tempo. È lui che mi ha lasciato indietro. Vivere la vita è un gioco da ragazzi, me lo diceva mamma.
So that's what I'm speaking about. His vocals are astonishing. Hey! A lovely one, my bro. Lovely one. You're doing great! Bro, I'm so happy to be alive today. You know why? Because of these people. These people are so talented and I'm happy to learn about them. Trust me. This year, 2025, bro, is full of surprises, man. And I'm loving these surprises so far, bro. These artists are way too cool.
Io cadevo giù dagli alberi, quanto è duro il mondo per quelli normali che hanno.
Well, that was excellent, bro. The only problem I have with this song is because it's too short, bro. It should have been longer. It should have been longer. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man. Peace.